Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today's hair is inspired by like the 70s curtain bang. This was all curled. It is now several hours since I recorded this video, so my hair is falling like shit. But at least, you know, the frame part is there. Yeah. If you want to see how it looked when it was curled, go ahead and check out the thumbnail or go ahead and keep watching so you can see the process. I'm gonna fuck with you. Go ahead and keep watching the video and I'm gonna see you at the end, okay? Okay.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
Today's hair is from UNice. I did go ahead and give it a bleach bath, so it is a light brown color, maybe dark brown. We'll give it dark brown. It's not getting light brown. And if you guys want me to do a video on how I do bleach baths, I can. It was my first time doing it, so I didn't want to feel too much pressure on it. I just wanted to try it out, see how it went. If it went good, I'll come back and see if y'all wanted to know how I did it. So no, this hair did not come this color, but it was easily achieved. So this is a HD lace 5x5 closure. I plucked a little bit of it and I didn't bleach the knots because of the way the wig's gonna be styled. So we're just gonna see it on. So I just threw it on, and right now I'm just gonna go ahead and just touch up this part and just make sure this is where it's kind of giving me middle. But that part don't ever be in the middle for real, for real. So right now I'm just taking my hot comb and just trying to make the whole top of my wig flat. So here's the hair for right now. I do kind of want to go ahead and start cutting the layers into this hair. It's going to be very layered, like very layered. I'm not sure how I got lip gloss on my nose, but I sure enough did. So now it's time to cut these layers. I'm going to go ahead and use my razor comb because I'm not really too versed in doing layers, and I'm just hoping that, you know, they go well. I'm going to be doing curtain bangs, so I will have to separate some hair to be bangs. Give the rest like some really nice layers in the front. Mainly in the sides, I guess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just start. I don't really have a plan or like know exactly how it's gonna turn out, but I'm gonna do that. Actually, that's kind of given. That's kind of given. I'm gonna keep doing this, and I'm gonna shut up, and I'm just gonna keep adding these layers. So this is about how I got my layers going so far. When I'm curling it, it feels like I need to add some more. I'll go ahead and add some more. But for now, I can just focus on curling my hair. I'm gonna split my hair down the middle and the back and just have my two sides. So I like to run it through and then grab it when I didn't really explain that. I thought I was going to, hence why I started like I was, but then I realized I wasn't, so I didn't. So you can just watch me do this, and I'm gonna do it, and you can watch me, and then we're gonna be a bad bitch. That's just how this will magically happen. So now I'm just realizing that the bang is kind of too long to give the effect that I'm going for. So I think I'm gonna, I'm gonna razor off some of the top, just like this, something like that. Something like that. I'm gonna just keep fiddling around with it, and whenever I feel like it's doing the thing that I need it to do, I'm gonna stop touching it. I might even flat iron this way instead. I'm gonna plug up my flat iron. I got a new flat iron because y'all know what happened to my last one. RP to O when we in with the new. So there's that. And now with the O, I got a baby Liz. I got it for $40. You need to get you a friend that work at Sally's like I do. So I ended up curling this hair over again. I ended up getting a bigger curling iron. I mean, not bigger, a smaller one, a smaller curling iron that is broke actually, and I had to fix this. Y'all don't see a lot of shit I be doing, but I fixed this and I'm making it work. I want to quit really bad because I'm thinking I'm not gonna get no pictures, but I'm gonna just keep trying and hope for the best. Yeah, I'm gonna record me curling this again. Yay, I guess. Ooh, I'm curling hair. I'm not having a good time. Oh, last thing about this curling iron, it's kind of old, so I gotta do it like a certain way, but it'll work nonetheless. And we're gonna get this done, and it's gonna be a look, and it's gonna be cute, and we gonna period. I don't know. Yeah, exactly. So the other side is curled now. I'm gonna let that sit for a second, and here's what the other side is looking like. I'm kind of pleased. I'm trying not to beat myself up about it because y'all know how I be, and I be dramatic. I'm gonna go ahead and unclip this now. It wasn't clipped for very long, but just enough to like give it something. Now I need to I need to focus and work on this little bang area. I feel like it might be a little too long, so just cut that down a little bit. I feel like some pieces of my hair need to be curled more and even more razored and layered. But now it's kind of coming together, so I'm not mad anymore. Well, I was never mad per se, but I was like not seeing the vision. But now I'm seeing the vision. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some concealer in my part. I feel like that will really set everything off. And then I really didn't plug this unit too much because I didn't think it was gonna be like important. But now I'm wishing I did, but it's fine. I'm really just trying to work on getting this as flat as possible because it's really not trying to lay flat. And I'm not sure why, but I'm gonna make it flat, period. I got my little curtain bangs how I want them. Oh, okay, we on to something. I'm gonna spray a little bit of ORS spray on top and then use my brush and just smooth everything flat. Y'all probably should glue y'all's wig on, but the way I'm not gonna do that is the way I'm gonna not do that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my lashes, throw on the look. I'm gonna come back and obviously touch up some final things, or maybe I'll have touched them up before I even come back, but this will be looking like. So my battery for some reason is fucking up. I don't feel like figuring it out, and I was supposed to binge record this outro slash, I guess this is an intro. No, I guess this is gonna be the outro. I was supposed to binge record this, but I didn't. So there's that. My hair turned out like my hair. I'm about to catch y'all right here. All my curls fell. Why all my curls fall, y'all? What am I doing wrong? Where's this whole section right here? Where's the curl at? Here's the look. I feel like I was trying to give brats. I feel like I was giving, you know, I don't know anymore. I'm over it. I probably would have felt better if my hair would have stayed curled, but I probably just didn't add enough layers into my hair to do that. But this front part looked real good. This frame and area right here, that looks nice. So I guess that's what we got for this, and we just got to be appreciative of what we got, So that's what we got. But this is crazy. I put some hairspray on here. I use hairspray. What do y'all be doing to make y'all curls last? I probably should have just added more layers. But other than layers, what do y'all do to make y'all's curls last? Because this is ridiculous. Like, what is this? What did I curl it for? You know? That's all I gotta say. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram. Period. Get ready for Vlogmas. It's happening. It's coming. Get ready. Period. Bye, beautiful.